There was a time when we only watched the impossible from far away, through glass screens, flickering in the dark. We sat still as someone else took that one small step, and yet, deep inside, we felt it like a whisper across time, that maybe one day it could be our turn. But to go forward, we must unlearn the past. Not everything written in books still belongs to tomorrow, because the world has changed, and with it, the way we learn, think, create, live. We are not just students of facts anymore. We are builders of meaning. We reach into light, not to control it, but to understand it. We meet machines not as enemies, but as allies. We give them reason, and they give us reach. And maybe, for the first time, we are not just landing on new worlds. We are becoming them. The future doesn't arrive all at once. It begins quietly, with a question, with a step, with a child touching light. This is not science fiction. This is a new reality. And it's not coming. It's already here.